Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to voice chat in Roblox mobile. So here is the Roblox app. I will go in the application. Now before voice chat is enabled in your device, you need to verify your email or phone number. So I will go to more option here and then scroll down all the way to settings. So let's go to settings. Now from here we have account information. I will go to account info. Now in account info, as you can see, my email address is pending verification. So from here, you need to click on update email. And then you have to enter the email address that you want to verify. So I will enter my email address and then click on change email. As you can see, an email has been sent for verification. So I will click OK and open the email that was sent to me. As you can see, this is the email address for verification. If I click verify email right over here, then my email address will be verified. So you can see that my email is verified. Now back in account information, you can see that my email address has been verified. So after email verification, I will go back again and then I will go to privacy and content restrictions. From here, you can go to communications and you will find voice chat option over here. Now from here, make sure that enable microphone option over here is turned on and then click on enable. After that, I will go back and then I will go to home. Now let's launch a game. Okay, so I will play this one. And now here, as you can see, there is a microphone icon. If you click on that icon, and then you will be able to voice chat with everyone in your party. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.